Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to confirm what's happening before changing anything. Open a plain text editor and press the physical Y and Z to see which characters appear. Once done, note whether the issue is layout or hardware. If the characters are swapped because the OS uses a different layout, you'll fix it in settings. If the physical switches are broken, you'll consider hardware repair. Start with the simplest check so you don't change the wrong layer. You will remap at the system level because that's the reliable way to change key behavior without hardware modification. On Windows, open PowerToy's Keyboard Manager and swap Y and Z, or write a scan code map in the registry for permanence. On Mac OS, add an input source or use carabiner elements to swap the keys. On Linux, run sexcmap or edit XKB files to swap keycodes. Make sure to restart the input service or log out and back in to apply the change. Finish by testing Y and Z across applications and after a reboot to ensure persistence. Once confirmed, you're done. If the swap didn't stick, check that no other keyboard layout is active, remove conflicting startup utilities, and reapply the remap. If keys still behave incorrectly, make sure firmware drivers are updated. If the problem is physical, you can swap keycaps or replace the keyboard. One key troubleshooting tip. If keys revert after login, look for corporate policies or profile scripts that reset input settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.